Hey guys, the portrait here. Thanks to everyone who has submitted their reference for yesterday's secret free portrait giveaway competition. On the background, you are seeing an example of an winner, and I'll be emailing the final image to this gentleman very soon. And if you're worried about privacy and don't want me to show the reference image, just let me know in the email. To clarify further, basically it works like this. You send me the reference image to the email and with the password in the subject line. Usually the time limit is quite short. We're talking maybe 1 or 2 hours. But hey, if you missed one, there's always next time. If there is a lot of submissions, I would pick one at random. I would personally draw a funky charcoal style portrait digitally and send you the high-res image for free. I may or may not make videos of these, and I would be doing this quite often at random times. So for example, right now, you have 2 hours until the upload of this video to submit your reference, and the password is GOAT, G-O-A-T, GOAT. It will expire in about 2 hours. Like I said, I will try to do these portraits for you as often as I can for free, and sometimes I will even make videos commentating on what I'm doing. So hopefully you will be benefiting from that also. Thank you very much, and appreciating you guys watching my videos.